What happens if your phone suddenly overheats while you use it? That tiny burst of heat can damage internal circuits very fast. But do not worry, because that is exactly why I exist here. Hi, I am a thermistor, a tiny smart semiconductor device. My special job is to sense temperature changes almost instantly. When the heat suddenly rises, my internal electrical resistance changes. That rapid change sends a critical warning signal to the board. And the main circuits react immediately to prevent any major danger. I secretly protect your precious batteries from overheating and exploding. I also keep modern laptops perfectly cool and perfectly stable. But wait a minute, how do I actually perform this trick? It is all based entirely on one simple magic word: resistance. Think of electrical resistance exactly like a giant traffic jam. When raw electricity tries to push its way right through me, my internal materials decide exactly how easy that journey is. When it is cold, I create a massive electrical traffic jam. Because of this, very little electricity can get past my body. But when the surrounding temperature begins to rise very quickly, the traffic jam clears up instantly, opening the main gates. Electricity flows fast, and the circuit knows things are getting hot. In the science world, this is called a negative temperature coefficient. Or NTC for short. That is my proud electronic family name. But my friends, I am not just hidden inside your smartphone. I am inside 3D printers, ensuring that the plastic melts perfectly. I am inside car engines, preventing catastrophic heat meltdowns every single day. Without tiny heroes like me, the modern world would literally burn. But there is a very dark secret about my close cousin. The PTC Thermistor family, they do the exact opposite thing. When those guys get hot, they block the electricity completely. They suddenly act like a massive, unbreakable wall of defense. Together, we stand as the tiny guardians of your favorite electronics. We cost only a few simple cents for humans to manufacture. But we easily save billions of dollars in damaged electrical devices. Next time your phone gets warm but manages to survive safely, you can simply thank a tiny little smart thermistor like me. There are millions of us silently working hard every single second. But remember, I am just one small piece of this giant puzzle. Do you want to know how the rest of the electronic board thinks? Like this video and hit subscribe right now, and let us meet the next smart component.